everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for swinging by. My name is Royce. Welcome. I'm excited today. I'll be showing you what I did to my living room. I recently just updated my living room and I hope you like it. I got these really nice pieces and they all came together and I hope you feel the same. Please like, share, and comment on this video. That will help my channel grow. And to my old subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my channel. And to my new subscribers, welcome to the fam. And without taking much of your time, let's get to it. Okay, so when we get in this room, there's a step, so you have to be careful and watch out. So here we go. We're going to start with the carpet. I got this carpet from Amazon. I really loved the look of the carpet and it was going to go with the decor that I have, which is mustard yellowish. And so I was like, this would go. And it had grays, blacks. I wanted something that would allow me to change to different colors, you know, within the room. And over there I had, what I also loved about it, it had this other side which was blue, and I really like that part, because if I wanted to change the curtains to blue, I would just switch it up. I would switch that flower would come over here and then I would have the blue showing. So then I'll just have to change the curtains and the decor, but I like it in the mustard, so I've kept it in the mustard for a while. And I bought this rag from Amazon and I've had it for a while. I bought it in 2017 when we're moving here from DC. And then here we have this coffee table, which I got from Home Goods, and I paid $125 because I remember. I paid $125. I bought it in 2018 and I loved it. It's solid and it's really heavy, and I like that it came with like drawers here where you can put your papers, you can put remotes or whatever you have to hide. And then here we have this nice candle, which I also got from Home Goods. I love this candle. It's really nice. I like the way it looks. But it actually had a glass around it. As you can see, I dropped it and the glass broke, so I had to just leave it like that. But I love it and it smells really good. And here on the tray we also have this design. I liked it. I thought it was a unique piece, and it would have some, you know, like adding, when you're doing your decor, having some different symmetry or shapes of decorations really do help. So I got it from Home Goods and I paid about $12.99. And I also got this tray from Target. And it was, I think it was about 20 something. I don't really remember the actual price. It was a bit pricey. And then I got this one here. Oh, my husband got me flowers for Mother's Day, and it came in this vase, so I just used it, and I thought it would go with the decor. And these flowers I got from Big Lots. I just was different flowers, and then I just put them together and put them in here, and I thought it went well with the decor. I think it, you know, it bounced from the throw. And moving on, we're going here. So here I have these pillows. I love these pillows. I got them from Elder Beerman when he was closing, and I got it was a 4 set, and I was really excited when I got it. And I think I paid about, it was on sale, I paid about 20 something, $23 or something like that. And then here, this chair actually, I got it from one of the spouses on base. She was leaving the base, and she had just gotten the chairs, and she was like, I'm leaving, I know you like these chairs, do you want them? I'll just give, she just gave them away to me because I paid $50 for each piece, and I got 2 of them, and I really like them. They're really comfortable, and I think they look really nice. And then here, moving on, we're coming to here. Let's get to the flower. I love these flowers. They're really nice. I got them from Big Lots, and I thought they would bounce back from this, the division to the entryway. And I like this gorge trim and the black here. And I got the stand from TJ Maxx. I paid $7.99. And this vase was, the vase together with the flower, that was like $40 from Big Lots. I thought that was a lot, so I got a military discount, and they had a 50% off sale, so that was a good deal. I got about 3, so yeah, I really liked it. And then we'll go to the chair, the big chair. The big couch, I guess. Yeah, the big couch. I got this from Bob's Furniture. I really like them. I wanted a solid piece, you know, like very strong and sturdy and firm. Like when you sit on it, it doesn't, you know, it's firm, but it's really comfortable, and it has good back support. And I bought it for, I think, it was a bit pricey, but it was a good deal. Did we get a good deal? No, it was a good buy. I think every house should have something that stands out, or something that you spend a little bit of money on it, and this was the piece. I love them. They came 2 of them, and they were going to go with my theme, and I've had them since 2017 as well. And over here we have these. I got these from Home Goods as well, and I paid about $12.99 each. I got 2 of them, and I spray painted this. I bought this from the Goodwill. I don't even know how much I paid, but I know it wasn't much. It was less than 20, and then I spray painted it. And then here I tried to make it look antiquish by trying to scrape it. I don't know if it looks, I like the way it looks, so I hope you guys like it. I was trying to be creative. And also here I have the face. Oh, I love the face. I just think it's high fashion and, you know, Vogue kind of fashion. And I got it from Ross. I actually paid $14.99. I was really excited about that. And then this box I got from Home Goods as well. I think I paid $12.99. And this is the other piece as well. The other piece I also got from Home Goods for $12.99. And here we have this vintage mirror. Oh my God, I love this mirror. My friend was going to get rid of it, but then I was like, oh, I'll take it. I'll take it. And I thought it would go with my decor. This was like a last minute piece. So thank you, friend. I really like the piece, and it looks nice in the house. That's why they say someone's trash is someone's treasure, and it was my treasure. And over here we have this beautiful lamp. I got it from Deja Vu Vogue. It's like overstock, and I really like it. Oh my God, I just like the design. I thought it looked chic and glam, and it looks nice with with the decor, and it goes well, and it's gold, of course. And it had a little bit of scratches that I scratched myself, and I got it on discount, because initially at Home Goods these go for $125, and I got a very good discount, which was $70. So I thought that was a good steal. And over here, I love these paintings. Look at this. That's really nice. I got this painting from Home Goods. I know a lot of stuff is from Home Goods. And I paid $59. It was a set of 2, and it's solid. It's like that nice solid picture frame, and I liked it, and I thought it would go with the deco. So that was a good steal. And here, oh, let me step back and show you. I love these curtains. I just think they're just so beautiful. I like how long they are. Oh my God. I actually got these curtains from, just forgot the place, IKEA. Oh my God, how can I forget IKEA? I got them from IKEA. And at first I only had 1 set. So then I got 2 sets. So I have 4 sets, actually 2 sets here, so that it can look more bulky. And I also got the lace from IKEA as well, and it was a 2 set. These were actually cheap. I think I paid about $19, believe it or not. Look at that. And they haven't faded. And guys, I've had this since 2017. No, 2018. That's when I bought this, because I was looking for like really nice curtains, mustard. So I was really excited when I got this. Oh, and also not to forget this throw here. I forgot this throw. I got this throw from Amazon. And I have been looking for like a yellow mustard that would actually go with my curtains, because sometimes it's either too bright or it's too dark, and this just worked. It went well with the other pillows, and I paid about $20 for this from Amazon. And here's the other couch. This is, I guess they call it the love seat, and I just put these 2 pillows, part of the 4 set, and they look nice. And then we move to this side. We have the other painting, which is a part of the set for $59. And yeah, I really love this. And then here we have a plant from the 3 set. So this is really nice. I thought that looked nice. And here we go. This is the other part of my living room. I have a very big living room. So we don't have a TV in here, because we have a family room on the other side with a fireplace, and that's where we watch our TV. So we just thought this would be nice, like a guest living room where people just come and, you know, sit and you can talk. So here I have this TV stand, and I bought it from Home Goods as well. I paid about $125, $130. It's heavy and it's solid. I liked it because it was big enough for us to put, because initially I thought we'll have probably like a TV or a projector, like if we wanted to watch like the big Hollywood movies and stuff like that. But we opted, my husband and I opted to just go with having it blank, like, you know, having no TV, and just this being a space where we can chill and, you know, conversate with people. So I liked it. And also this vase I got from Ross. I paid $9, and it's a solid piece. I was shocked when I saw it. I like Ross. If you have Ross, I know those who shop from Ross, they would love their decor. It's like a cheaper, it's like their pieces are cheaper than Home Goods. So I got these flowers as well from Joanne. And I like this. They look nice, and I thought this would stand out. And this way I wanted to pull the mustard from here. You know, I wanted something that will connect other than the gold. I wanted something that will connect the other side to this, because it's just like a weird shape, but it looks nice. I think it kind of helped bring the yellow on this side, and it looked nice. And I've had these here from Target. Look at this. and they just gorgeous. Put them in here and I thought it would go well, and I didn't put a painting there because I wanted something to break away from the painting and something unique and different, because you know, when you sit down, the view is really nice. And then we go here. Oh, actually I paid 24. It was 24 for 3. It's 3. I bought, there were 3 sets. I think I paid $24.99. And Target is real. They have very good quality stuff. They can be pricey. And then here we have the same flower from Big Lots, and of course the same flower stand from TJ Maxx for $7.99. And then here we have this wreath. I didn't know what to do here, guys. I was like, what am I going to do here? I need something that will kind of pull, because it's like, it's an odd shape. Take a look at this. From here to there, it's like so odd. So I was like, I need something that will still have some gold and some green. And I got this from Big Lots, and it was $22, but of course I got military discount and I got the 20% off, so I think it came to like 16, so that was a good steal. And here we go, guys. This is the end of my video. I really liked how everything came out together. It looks really nice, classy, elegant. And let me show you the view when I'm seated here on the couch of the other side. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It just looks nice, you know. It's something, it's actually a conversation starter, right? But anyhow, thank you very much, and thank you for watching my video. Please share this video as it will help my channel grow, and thank you so very much for tuning in. See you next time. Bye.